Welcome back to Technocrat NJ, and I'm Namya here with my new video that is about Python. So, today I'm going to teach you how you can check if the word is a palindrome or not. First of all, let me tell you that what is a palindrome. Say, if you have a word with you which you're pronouncing normally, and if you reverse the word and pronounce it, if it matches with the word which you are pronouncing normally, it is a palindrome. Let me give you an example. Say mom, as I love my mom, so I'll take an example, mom. And if you pronounce it in the reverse manner, it is mom. So mom is a palindrome. I hope you're clear what is a palindrome. Now let us start. We'll give a single line comment to just tell what we are doing. So check if palindrome. Now we'll take a variable that is string equal to, and we'll take the input from the user that he has to enter the string. So string is only used for text. Enter string and then a colon. Then let us start with the if condition, that if the string which we enter, so double equals to means we are comparing, that means string equal to string. That means if the string which is the first string is the normal word which you are pronouncing and the second string is the reverse of it, so if both are pronounced in the same way, then we'll write double colons -1. So this is used for reversing the word and checking so that it is a palindrome. So we have to print the string is a palindrome. Now we'll give an else condition, that you have to print that the string is not a, so I'll just make it capital, palindrome. And you might have seen that I typed str in between, so that is the short form of the string. And now let us save it. We'll name it palindrome and save. Now let us run our program, that is F5. So it asks us to enter a string. So let us write red. So it is not a palindrome because there will be DEA, DAE, R and D. So that, and again let us run it, and this time let us write did. So it is a palindrome. I hope you are clear how you can check if the word is a palindrome or not. Thank you everyone. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. This is Namya Joshi signing off. Bye.